Do you ever go to your refrigerator and accidentally leave the door open? And only to come back and find out something has gone wrong? This once yummy ice cream has now turned into a chocolatey mess. Hey you! What you need is the fridge lever. Now, with the fridge lever, you don't have to worry about leaving your door open. Because it automatically closes when you leave the room. Call 1-800-LEVER now and order yours today.
Use of this product may or may not include foot loss, unibrow, gingivitis, pregnancy, inability to talk, going blind, bankruptcy, acne, teeth loss, weight gain, the flu, chickenpox, scurvy, and death.